In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe API key. Whether you're just getting started with online payments or need to integrate Stripe's capabilities into your application, obtaining your API key is an essential first step. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Stripe Commit. This is the central hub for all things Stripe, so you'll find everything you need right here. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look towards the top right corner of the web page and you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on this button to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to go through the registration process first, but assuming you already have one, simply fill in your login details. Once entered, click on the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the home page of the Stripe dashboard. From here, you need to locate the Developers section. The Stripe dashboard is designed to be intuitive, but if you're having trouble finding it, just look for the menu on the left-hand side. Developers will be among the options listed there. Once you've spotted Developers, go ahead and click on it. This should expand a submenu with several options. We're interested in the one labeled API Keys, so select that option. And just like that, you've navigated to the part of the dashboard where your API keys are stored. Now that you're on the API keys page, you'll see your different keys available here for use. This is an important step because these keys are essentially passwords granting access to your Stripe account. They unlock the ability to perform transactions and manage payment processes through your website or application, making them extremely valuable assets. Finally, the last thing you'll want to do is copy your API key to your clipboard. Simply locate the key, click on the copy icon, and you're all set. Remember, it's crucial to keep your API keys secure and never share them publicly. Store them in a safe place where only trusted individuals can access them to prevent unauthorized use. And there you have it, a straightforward process to accessing your Stripe API key. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the power of Stripe for your online transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and